In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view details and activity of a file on computer as web browser. If you've ever wondered who changed a file, where it lives in your storage, or how much space it takes, the quickest place to check is Google Drive's Details and Activity panel. We'll walk through exactly how to open it and what each part shows so you can confidently find the information you need. First, open your preferred web browser and go to drive.google.com. You'll be looking at your files and folders in Google Drive. If you manage multiple accounts, just make sure you're viewing the correct one for the file you have in mind. Next, select the file you want to inspect by clicking it once. A single click highlights the file without opening it. That's important. Double-clicking opens the file, but for today, a single click is all you need to select it and keep your place in the file list. Now look to the top right of the page for the View Details icon. It's a small letter I inside a circle. Click that and you'll open a side pane with everything you need. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, the fastest way is to press the D key on your keyboard. Just make sure your Google Drive tab is active and the file is selected before you press D. When the side pane opens, you'll see two tabs, Details and Activity. You can click either tab to switch views at any time. In the Details tab, you'll find the essentials. You'll see the file type, like a document, spreadsheet, PDF, or image. You'll see the file size and how much storage it uses, which is handy if you're managing space. You'll also see the location. This tells you the folder where the file currently lives, so you can understand its context in your drive. You'll see the owner, which is especially useful for shared items, and you'll see your description if you've added one. Think of this tab as a quick profile card for the file. Switch over to the Activity tab for a clear timeline of what's happened to the file. You'll get a chronological list of edits, renames, moves, and shares, along with when they occurred and who performed them. Recent actions appear at the top, making it easy to spot the latest changes. This is perfect for tracking collaboration, confirming whether a file was moved, or understanding when sharing settings were updated. That's it. Go to drive.google.com, select your file, open the View Details panel, and use Details and Activity to get the full picture.